It's not the Constitution that is at fault, it's us. EDSA was not only about restoring democracy, it was the promise of a new social order to the poor. Every administration, Cory, Ramos, Arroyo, Estrada, all of them failed in the purpose having a new social order where the center of all programs is social justice. Article 13 of the Constitution. If you haven't read it, please read it. And if you haven't read the Constitution, on the economy of the Constitution, there are social justice provisions there too. 73% of our people know nothing or very little about the Constitution. Isn't it time we studied it and see if the reason we are in this situation now is not because of the Constitution, it's because of us.
Example ko lang po, yung Constitution ng Japan, number 3 economy in the world. It was essentially written by General Douglas MacArthur. Yet, look at Japan. So it's not the Constitution. It's the people implementing the Constitution.
I'd like to state that we are the Constitution. Ano man ang
Recording in
nakasulat
progress.
sa salikang batas is the expression of the consent of the people. So, pag sinabi mo may problema ang Constitution, you are directly saying, kung may problema ang tao, problema ang batas na inilagay ng tao. Sinabi po ni Lord Acton that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. We are looking at the Constitution that brought us here to this predicament sa pinakita ko po kanina sa mga slides at talaan ng katayuan ng ating bayan. Dahil it is this very Constitution that gave so much power to Congress and the President to intervene in every aspects, in every part of our life, liberty, and property. Pwede nilang kunin ang lupa natin, kahit binili mo na, papabayaran sa'yo taon-taon ng milyar. Pag hindi mo binayaran ang lupa na binili mo, kukunin nila sa ito, pamimigay sa iba. Saan sila kumuha ng kapangyarihan? Pag-arian ng lupa, ay wala pang gobyerno may lupa na. Ang lupa ho ay gawa ng Diyos, binigay sa tao, hindi po sa gobyerno. Kaya niya pong pigilin ang hanap buhay at lahat ng hanap buhay dito sa Pilipinas, whether international, foreign, or local. Magsisimula ka pa lang, pepermitan ka. Pag inipit ka, hindi ka makasimula. Pag nakasimula ka, bubuhisan ka. Pag inipit ka, kakargahan ka ng BIR. Yung mga taong gusto sumuporta sa mga pagbabago ng mga mayayamang negosyante, natatakot lumabas dahil kayang-kaya ipitin ng gobyerno at kayang isara ang kanilang negosyo. Dapat malaya tayo, pero kalayaan ho ba yan? Korupsyon po ang dahilan kung bakit mahina ang ating sandatahan. Nasa talaan din po yan. Dahil sa korupsyon na aapektuhan ng ating